Welcome to Chapter 11 of Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Lesson 63 on capitalization. Capital letters show a reader where a thought begins. In this lesson, we'll learn 3 places that always take a capital: the start of a sentence, the start of a quoted sentence, and the greeting and closing of a letter. Let's begin. Let's start with the rule you know best. Capitalize the first word of every sentence. Take this one. The violinist won the contest. The very first word is the, and it gets a capital because it opens the sentence. It doesn't matter what that first word is, a name, a little word like the, or anything else. The first word of any sentence always starts with a capital. So a new sentence begins, and you reach for a capital. Here's the next place. When you quote a complete sentence that someone said, capitalize its first word. Look here. Renata said, quote, "My dog naps here," end quote. The words inside the quotation marks form a whole sentence, so the first word, my, takes a capital. The quoted words are a little sentence of their own, and every sentence starts with a capital. A full quoted sentence begins, so you capitalize its first word. Now an important exception. If the quoted words are only a fragment, a piece built into your own sentence, do not capitalize them. Look, my friend called it, quote, "the best day," end quote. The quoted part isn't a full sentence. It flows into yours. So writing the with a capital would be wrong. The lowercase the is correct. Full quoted sentence, capital. Quoted fragment woven in, no capital. The last place is a letter. At the top sits the salutation, the greeting, like "Dear Maria." Capitalize its first word, dear, and the person's name. At the bottom sits the closing, like "Sincerely yours." Here, you capitalize only the first word, sincerely. The word yours stays lowercase, because only the first word of a closing gets a capital. Let's gather the rules. Capitalize the first word of 3 things: every sentence, every full quoted sentence, and the greeting and closing of a letter. And don't forget one more. Always capitalize the pronoun I wherever it appears. The thread is simple. A capital letter marks where a new thought begins. Let's try a few. In this first set, each line has one word that should begin with a capital letter, but doesn't. Find it, then choose it. Pause and try each one before I answer. Quote, "The speaker is an expert on bats," end quote, Marco said. The words inside the quotation marks are a complete sentence, so the first word needs a capital. That first word is the, sitting lowercase, so the answer is the. Almost everyone in the audience raised a hand. This is an ordinary sentence, and every sentence begins with a capital letter. The first word here is almost, and it's lowercase. So the answer is almost. Tessa whispered, quote, "This way we sit farther back," end quote. After the period, a brand new sentence starts inside the quotation marks. The first word of that new sentence is this, and it needs a capital. So the answer is this. Now choose the version that follows the capitalization rules. Watch for fragments, continued quotations, and the greeting and closing of letters. Pause and try each one. She called it, quote, "the best meal," end quote. These quoted words aren't a full sentence. They're a fragment woven into your own sentence. A fragment like that doesn't get a capital. So the answer is the version with lowercase the. Here's a letter closing. Only the first word of a closing gets a capital. So sincerely is capitalized, but yours stays lowercase. The version with capital yours is wrong. So the answer is sincerely yours, with a lowercase yours. Here's a letter greeting. Capitalize the first word of a salutation plus the person's name. So dear takes a capital, and so does Aunt Celia. The version that starts with lowercase dear is wrong. So the answer is Dear Aunt Celia. Let's wrap up. Capital letters mark where a new thought begins. Capitalize the first word of every sentence and of any complete quoted sentence. But leave a quoted fragment lowercase when it's just a piece built into your own sentence. In a letter, capitalize the first word of the greeting, like Dear Maria, and of the closing, like sincerely. And always capitalize the pronoun I. That's capitalization's first lesson. Great work, and I'll see you next time.